to your special training detachment. Be seated. I'm Admiral Bates, Nautic Commander. You're all Top Gun graduates. The elite. The best of the best. That was yesterday. The enemy's new fifth-generation fighter has leveled the playing field. Details are few, but you can be sure we no longer possess the technological advantage. Success, now more than ever, comes down to the man or woman in the box. Half of you will make the cut. One of you will be named mission leader. The other half will remain in reserve. Your instructor is a Top Gun graduate with real-world experience in every mission aspect you will be expected to master. His exploits are legendary, and he's considered to be one of the finest pilots this program has ever produced. What he has to teach you may very well mean the difference between life and death. I give you Captain Pete Mitchell. Call sign, Maverick.
Good morning. The F-18 NATOPS contains everything they want you to know about your aircraft. I'm assuming you know the book, inside and out.
Damn right.
Yeah.
Damn straight.
You got it.
So does your enemy. And we're off. But what the enemy doesn't know is your limits. I intend to find them, test them, push beyond. Today we'll start with what you only think you know. You show me what you're made of. Rooster. Bradley. Lieutenant Bradshaw.
Yes, sir.
Let's not do it like this.
You gonna wash me out?
That'll be up to you, not me.
Am I dismissed?
Good morning, aviators. This is your captain speaking. Welcome to Basic Fighter Maneuvers. As briefed, today's exercise is dogfighting. Guns only, no missiles. We do not go below the hard deck of 5,000 feet. Working as a team, you have to shoot me down, or else.
Or else what, sir?
Or else I shoot back. If I shoot either one of you down, you both lose.
This guy needs an ego check.
We'll see to that.
Sir, what say you put some skin in the game?
What do you have in mind?
Whoever gets shot down first has to do 200 push-ups.
Guys, that's a lot of push-ups.
Well, they don't call it an exercise for nothing, sir.
You got yourself a deal, gentlemen. Lights on. Let's turn and burn.
Fanboy, you see him?
Nothing on the radar up ahead. He must be somewhere behind us.
We don't get fooled again.
Easy, Maverick. Let's try not to get fired on the first day.
Tally! Maverick's coming in! Right left! Right to the left!
Hey, man, where's your wingman?
Rooster, where are you? I got you, Mac. I'm coming. Hang in there, hang in there. Hurry up, man, hurry up! Look at that, brake. Break it right!
Rooster just saved your life, fellas, but it's gonna cost him.
Not this time, old man!
Don't let him get you, Maverick.
Rooster, you're too low! Pull up, you're hitting the hard deck!
Altitude.
Oh, shit!
That's a kill.
We don't get fooled again.
Damn! 110!
Should be us down there.
But it's not. And now you know a little something about Rooster.
Wow! Hey, hold that
that tarmac down till we get back, brother, all right? Hey, get in here.
That's a kill. Smoked. Damn it. Oh.
It was all fun and games that selfie, wasn't it? Damn!
Say, Phoenix.
Now, how's about we tell everybody Bob stands for something other than Robert? I mean,
Don't take the bait, Bob. Want to know why we call him Hangman?
oh, wait, I got it. Baby on board.
Greetings, aviators. Lights on.
All right, Phoenix, let's take this guy out.
Watch your back, Phoenix.
Break right.
Breaking right.
Where's he going?
That's why we call him Hangman. He'll always hang you out to dry.
Leaving your wingman. There's a strategy I haven't seen in a while.
He called you a man, Phoenix. You gonna take that?
So long as he doesn't call you a man. Talk to me, Bob. Where's Maverick?
Jesus, his nose is already coming around.
Get off me, Hangman!
For all you folks at home, this is how you bury a fossil. All right, Hangman. Time to teach you a lesson. You're out, Phoenix.
Son of a bitch!
Let's go, man. Let's see what you got. Come get me. Evil be gone. Hangman's coming. Yeah, you're good. I'll give you that. Shit. Phoenix, I can't see him. How close am I? Phoenix.
I'm dead, dickhead.
See you in the afterlife, Bagman.
Where is he? Where is he? That's a kill.
79. Down. 80. Down.
Let's go. Who's next? I got you, Omaha. Damn it. Lights out, Coyote.
Copy kill.
Down. 51. Down.
Say, Rooster, mind if I ask you a personal question?
Would it matter if I did?
So what's the story with you and Maverick? It seems like he's got you a little rattled.
It's none of your business. Now, where the hell is he? Been here the whole time. Holy shit. You see me now? Come on, let's get it over with. Fight's on!
What is with these two?
All right, you put us here. How are you gonna get yourself out?
You can bail out anytime.
How low you wanna go, Rooster?
I can go as low as you, sir, and that's saying something.
What's past is past, for both of us.
You'd like to believe that, wouldn't you?
Hard deck's 5,000 feet, fellas. You're running out of room.
Altitude.
Your strategy is about to run us into the ground. What's your move?
Altitude. 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 Pull up! Pull up! Pull up! Pull up! Pull up! Pull up!
Now you got it. Don't think, just do.
Come on, Rooster, you got him. Drop down and take the shot.
It's too low. Too late. You had your chance. That's a kill. Knock it off.
Damn it. Same old Rooster.
Go see Hondo about your push-ups.
All right, that's enough. Rooster, that's enough, man.